These are the others of the Hilton Garden Inn. This one's down. So we're taking this one. That didn't sound too good. We going up or down?
Yeah.
Oh, it's going up. I'll be right back. TKE maintains. These are nice, but it doesn't seem like they run too well. Yeah, it sounds great. This is 2.
Oh. Down?
Yes, down now. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Hopefully non-stop. I wonder where the other one is. It's probably off. The cab view. This is already the second HT in a row that I find one without a lantern anywhere on the inside. This one has a 3,000 pound capacity, which I find really interesting. Here are your buttons. One of the few times I've seen a golden Schindler with 338 fixtures. Or HT premium fixtures, I'm sorry. These things have definitely seen better days. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.